Hey friends, today I'll show you how to create 4 easy buns using a hair comb. So let's jump in. For our first hairstyle, we want to brush our hair to make everything nice and smooth, and then grabbing our hair from the middle, you want to twist it up like I'm showing several times, leaving the loop out and spreading all the hair over our French twist created. And we want to fix it using a hair comb. Done! For the next one, again we want to make sure our ponytail is nice and smooth, and we want to tie it using a clear elastic. Then we want to make an opening and bring our ponytail through it, like so. Tighten it, and then we want to measure it, and we want to tie it basically at the middle, tying the ends. Then we want to hide our ends inside like I'm showing and bring our ponytail up, and we want to fix it at the base of our ponytail, bringing our comb through the elastic, through our second elastic first, and then through our basic ponytail, like so. For the next one, again we want to make a low ponytail. Make sure it's nice and smooth, tie it. And then we want to make a side opening like so. Bring our ponytail through it and tighten it. Make sure everything is nice and smooth again. Then we want to fix our ponytail, tying it with a clear elastic at the middle. We want to measure it and loosen it a bit, spread it to create kind of a pocket, and then we want to roll our ends into our bun, and using a comb bring it through the elastic and through the base using our comb. Pinch and pull our bun created to make it fuller and voluminous, and we're done! For the next one, again we want to make a very low ponytail. We want to bring it up, use a comb and fix it the way I'm showing. You want to push it well so it will stay in place. Then brushing our hair, making sure it's nice and smooth. You want to spread it all over like I'm showing. Tie the ends to fix them using a clear elastic like so. And then we want to hide our ends inside and fix it at the base of the elastic using bobby pins. And also I'll use some grips to fix it from the sides, but that's optional. And we're done! Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Like it, subscribe to us on Hairstyles for more, because I have a lot of hair tutorials there. That's it for today, guys, and love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye!